Hello guys, so in this tutorial we are given this type of circle theorem question. Find the perimeter of triangle PQR. This triangle, we are asked to find the perimeter. That's the area bounded by this triangle PQR. And the only information we know about this question is that AP is equal to 18 centimeters. That's the distance AP equal to 18 centimeters. Then we are asked to find the perimeter of triangle PQR. How are we going to do it? This is a very nice question, so I will urge you to follow closely, and also I will urge you to subscribe, like this video, and share too. Okay, so let's begin. Right, so this is how we are going to solve this type of question. Firstly, we are given two tangents which are meeting at the same point. Let's take closely. That's tangent PA and tangent PB. And from one of the rules of circle theorem, it states that if two tangents meet at the same point, then that tangents are considered equally. If two tangents meet at the same point, they are considered equally. That's tangent PA and tangent PB are equal. That's the rule that will be applied in this question, right? So in the question, we were given the length AP to be 18 centimeters. AP, that's from A to P, to be 18 centimeters. Okay, so for a start, let's assume that length QA is equal to X. Length QA to be equal to X. So if length QA is equal to S, then definitely PQ will be equal to 18 minus X, right? Okay, so that whenever we add 18 minus X plus the X, it will give us the original length as 18 centimeters. Okay, but from the rules that we learned, we saw that whenever two tangents meet at the same point, then that two tangents are equal. Then we can relate this length 18 minus X and the X to the other tangent. Therefore, length PR will be also equal to length PQ. So length PR can also be 18 minus X. And length RB can also be the same as X. So that when we add them, we are getting the same length, 18 centimeters. Right. Now, let's consider something here. Considering this length, QA and QT, we can call these lengths as tangent. Why? Because they are touching only one point of the circle. Considering the line QT is touching only one point of the circle and is not passing through, and the length QA is also passing through only one point without passing through what the circle, and they are all meeting at Q. Therefore, length QA and length QT can also be considered as what? Tangent meeting at the same point. Therefore, the rule also applies. Their distance will be equal. Therefore, length QA and length QT are equal. So if length QA is equal to X, then length QT is equal to X. Okay. Let's come to another length here. Another tangent RB and RT. They are also two tangents meeting at R. They are also two tangents meeting at R. Therefore, we can conclude that their distance too are the same. Therefore, distance RB and distance RT are equal. So if RB is equal to S, then RT will be equal to X. So finally, the question demands us to find the perimeter of the triangle PQR. And when we talk about the perimeter, the question is trying to tell us about the distance around the figure, which means the perimeter of triangle PQR will be equal to distance PQ plus distance QR plus distance RP, right? So from our figure, what is distance PQ? We can see it's 18 minus x, right? And what's the distance for QR? Is x plus x, which is 2x, okay, plus RP. RP is also 18 minus x, 18 minus 8. So we further simplify. 18 plus 18 we know is 36. And minus x is minus 2x. So plus 2x minus 2x. 2x minus 2x will be equal to 0. So finally we are getting 36 centimeters to be the perimeter of this figure. So whenever you are asked to find the perimeter of this type of figure, you just have to apply the rule of when two tangents meet at a single point, we consider that tangent to be equal. Thank you for staying with me with this video. I'll urge you to subscribe and also share this video so that whenever I upload any video, you also get this link. Bye bye.